Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing video for this Lego Speed Champion. This Lego Speed Champion is inspired by a few very famous sports car brand. This one is Lamborghini Countach in white color. Okay, so let me do the unboxing. Before I do the unboxing, maybe we can take a look at the design of the box. I think you all can see the view from the back, from the top, from the side. This car really looks very cool. The box isn't very heavy, okay, and it's not very big. Okay, so the first step, you need to get a knife. We need to cut from one of the side because the box is being glued. So we need to cut from the side. You can put the knife into the small little opening, cut it like that, and then at the side here, you cut it and cut it like that. Okay, pull it gentle. Okay, you can see it's been glued. Alright, so let's see what's in the box. Okay, maybe I can pour on the floor so you guys can take a look. Okay, the box is empty. We have stickers. I think these stickers are to be placed on the car once the car is being built up. This is the instruction manual. Very beautiful booklet. You can follow step by step how to build the car. Okay. So make sure you don't lose the booklet, else you have to maybe get it from the internet or get it from somewhere, right? Okay, this is a booklet, very beautiful. Okay, we refer to this to build the car. And basically there are two plastic bags. The first one and the second one. Okay, inside the box, 4 items. Make sure you have the 4 items. Instruction manual, stickers, packet 1 and packet 2. Let's start the build. So we have finished the first bag. As you can see here, there are some extra block here. Okay, it's nice for Lego to give extra. So this is the product for the first part. Looks very nice. Looks very nice. The fitting is very nice. He's a happy man. Okay, we continue with the second part. Alright guys, we just finished the assembly of the car with all, and also attach all the stickers. It looks very nice. Okay, the build quality is very good. Hope you all enjoy the video. Bye.